Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat offline. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat offline, you should just go to settings. After that, you will go to click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this page, you will enter to this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Then in this list of app info, you will click on Force Stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi here and we click to turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.